Did your phone screen crack? Drop it in the sink? Battery won't charge? CPR Cell Phone Repair, located on the corner of Prospect and Lawrence Expressway in West San Jose, can fix it. We repair your iPhone, iPad, Android, BlackBerry, and all your beloved gadgets. Our in-house certified technicians will save you money so you don't have to buy a new phone. We'll give your phone CPR and bring it back to life. Visit our store today in West San Jose or our website at cpr-sj.com for a free estimate. And for this month only, the first 100 customers to come in our store will get a free screen protector for their phone. CPR Cell Phone Repair, where genuine repairs are done right the first time.